I know the feeling. You're on YouTube, you start watching a video, and then you had to leave. However, you wanted to go back and just hop in and start watching that recently watched video again. I'm going to show you exactly where to find it and the multiple different places that it could be. So first, open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android, or go to youtube.com. And then tap on the U button at the bottom right. At the top here, you can see is history. But the first thing I would recommend doing is checking your watch later playlist or your saved playlist. So if it is in your watch later playlist, if you tap the watch later or save button, it will be in here. However, let's say it's not in there, you can just tap on history at the top. You'll be able to see your history. You can also just tap on the search bar and search for that specific video to keep watching it. And if you don't want it to be in your history, just tap on the three dots next to the video, and then you can hit remove from watch history. You can also do that for all of your watch history by tapping on the three dots at the top right and hitting clear all watch history. And now you won't have any videos previously watched in your history. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.